Today, my dinner will be curry chicken. And then, I'm gonna do tumbo, all my ingredients. This is how Shyleena tumbo, alright? Outside you can do exercise. At home you also do exercise. Look, it's considered beauty and this. Woo! And this is the evidence that I cook at home. Kalau masakan tak suka pakai blender, suka tumbuk pakai tangan. Hey, see, this is my carrot, my chicken, and some vegetable and this potatoes. Okay, I cook that first. Tumis. Okay. See, continuation. I cook the sabuk curry, kasih dia garing-garing sikit, ya. Okay, we put the potato. What is the one so hard to cook? Carrots, right? That is my recipe, my curry recipe. Okay. And then you gotta, and then you put the chicken. But my chicken already marinated with turmeric, black pepper, and a little bit of. And then you go. And now we just get them to cook. I'm cooking the coconut meat. After this, I put the down curry. Later, when it's hot, you can masukkan santan. It's just delicious. I love coconut. I love coconut. This tastes a little bit salty. How come? Tapi sedap. Okay, lepas tu I masukkan cauliflower. And my daughter Isabel loves this very finger. Right? So this kuah, actually the gravy, I can eat with bread or a baguette. Love it. Yes, guys, this sauce tastes awesome. All the ingredients, the juice, all the chicken juice is inside here, right? And this gravy also I can eat this. So I do bake pulut panggang at my air fryer. Wait, air fryer pulut panggang. Woo! My goodness.